Aloha! Welcome to Turtle Flow Yoga. This is Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you a very simple but effective tool to get calm and centered when things get overwhelming. And this you can do anytime, anywhere. So if you are interested in that, please keep watching. So whenever things get overwhelming, especially with the change of seasons, or if you just get stressed from deadlines or projects, or you run into some obstacles and feel frustrated, I found that the simplest way to just find that center, grounded space to reset and refocus is to do deep breaths. So even though it sounds very simple, I find that a lot of people don't know how to do it the most effective way. So the deep breaths, you just want to bring awareness and mindfulness in how you do it. And all you need is to do 3 deep breaths to really help you reset it. And if you want to make it to be more meditative, you can do it longer. And then you can build that into a meditative practice of breath awareness. So the first thing you need to do is really feel grounded and notice what's rooting into the earth. And you can do this standing. You can even hide in a bathroom if you're at work and you just need to get away. If you're in the middle of an argument, you can just kind of pause and feel your feet in the earth, rooting into the earth. If you're sitting, feel your sit bones rooting into the earth, and as well as the feet rooting into the earth. You can also do this lying down. So if you're just in a comfortable lying down position, just really release the whole back body heavier into all that supporting, and literally feel the support beneath, noting any texture, temperature, or density of all that's beneath, and receive the rebound effect of the support from the earth, the gravity, as well as any props you have beneath, or the floor, or the chair beneath you. So just literally physically feeling the support. And then once you do that, if you're standing or sitting, you want to get really tall with your spine, lifting through your sternum, broaden through your collarbones, relax your shoulders. And you can even place your hand at your heart center and your belly. You can have one hand at your heart center, one hand in your belly, and just feel how the breath is moving through your torso. You can even close your eyes or stare at one spot in front of you. So for some people, closing eyes might not be the most comfortable. It might bring a lot of anxiety. So if that's the case, if that's you, that's perfectly okay. You just stare at one spot in front of you, softly gazing, and just notice how you're breathing. And when we're stressed, most of us only breathe up to the chest, and we shorten the breath. So what you want to do is let the breath come all the way down to your belly, breathing in through your nose. And just allow your belly to fill up with your breath all the way up to your collarbones, keeping your shoulders relaxed. You might even pause for a second or two without feeling suffocated or strained. And then fully empty your breath out, maintaining the height of your spine. Just do 2 more breaths just like that. Inhale through your nose, fill up your torso, down to your belly, up to your collarbones. And then fully empty your breath out as you firmly ground into all the support beneath you. So as you breathe in and out through your nose, maintain the height of your spine. And keep your shoulders relaxed. So you can do 3 breaths like this, or you can do as many deep breathing as you need. So this is called a diaphragmatic deep breathing. If you're lying down, you can still do this. Just let the whole torso fill up. Feel that rising of your torso with your inhale. And then exhale, feel everything release, emptying your breath fully. You can even pull your belly back and up towards your spine. Then once you've done a few of those, you can even set your hands anywhere on your thighs if you're sitting, or you can just relax them by your sides if you're standing. And just keep breathing deep in and out through your nose. And if you want to bring this into a meditation practice, you can even start to slow down your breath to a natural breathing. So you let go of any control of your breath and simply notice your natural rhythm of your breath. Let go of any manipulation or control and simply observe without judging. So even though you're not efforting to breathe deep, you can just relax your belly and your heart center to allow your breath to be more full without manipulating your breath. And then pick an anchor point to focus on as you observe how you're breathing. So you can just observe the whole torso. You can also observe just your belly rising and falling. You can notice your heart center rising and falling. You can also notice the ribs expanding out and in, inhales and exhales. So you're really participating in that give and take, yin yang qualities of your breath. And if you want to get really focused and develop concentration, you can just focus on the point underneath your nostrils and notice how the breath moves in and out under your nostrils, noting the texture of your breath, the temperature of your breath, or any other qualities you're able to observe. And then as you're observing your breath, just keep your shoulders relaxed, face soft, and try not to make any movements. Come to complete stillness the best you can. And you can stay here as long as you want. And so when you're first starting out, maybe you might want to start with about 3 minutes. You can even build it up to an hour. Just slowly, gradually build it. And then whenever you're ready to come out of your meditation, simply deepen and lengthen your breaths in and out through your nose. Start to wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and just gently allow yourself to come back to the room, to your body. Make any other movements you need to gently bring yourself out of your meditation. And feel free to make any other movements you need. And gently open your eyes whenever you're ready, if your eyes are closed. So, and then observe how it feels. So you might feel calmer, more grounded, centered. Hopefully that's the effect. And more focused if you did a more concentrated method. And like I said, if you just want to get calm and centered very quickly, but you don't have time to meditate, you can just do the 3 deep breathing. If you have time to sit and meditate, you can go into the breath awareness. The breath awareness, it's best to do it seated and with the spine straight and tall. The breath awareness, the deep breathing, you can do it anytime, anywhere, standing, lying down, or seated. And 3 breaths is all you need to make that shift. So if you're building it into a meditation practice, just try with like 3 minutes, see how that goes. Try it for a week, maybe build it up to 10-15 minutes the next week, and build it up to as long as you would like, up to an hour. And try to pick a length that you can stick with, and it's better to be more consistent, and try to do it every day for 30 days and then see how that changes things for you, but without attaching. So please let me know if you've tried it and how it worked out for you, or if you have any other questions, please comment below. And please subscribe, like, and I wish you a wonderful, calm, peaceful day. Namaste. And thank you for being here.